So I'm super excited to share this bottle with you guys today. It's by Malts of Scotland. It's called The Dark Side of Islay. It's a 22-year-old blended Islay whiskey, and it's unbelievable. There's only 1,065 bottles of these produced though. So if you can get your hands on it, I totally suggest you give it a shot. So what's interesting about this label, it says 22 years, but over 22 years. I've never seen that before. Also, it's 48.9% alcohol in a 70 cl bottle. So the color is a dark amber hue. It shows that it is aged whiskey. So the smell is super nice. It's that leather tobacco with a hint of spice and smoke. The taste is a good balance of sweetness and spice, and the finish is awesome. So thanks for watching. If you have a chance to try the Dark Side of Islay, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more whiskey adventures. Cheers.